From a Civil War comfort to an Easter basket staple, jelly beans have delighted generations with their colorful coats and bursts of flavor. What began as a simple treat has transformed into a global confectionery phenomenon. More than 400 billion tiny, chewy delights are manufactured each year into the sweets we know and love today. So, how did they do it? Jelly beans started with a man named William Schrafft in Boston. He thought of making jelly into small bean shapes, and that's how the little treats got their name. He suggested sending these candies to soldiers during the war to cheer them up. The soft middle part of jelly beans is said to be inspired by the infamous Turkish Delight. Nowadays, jelly beans start with a simple yet essential trio of ingredients such as sugar, corn syrup, and various flavorings. The sugar is what gives these jelly beans their signature sweetness, making them irresistible to candy lovers everywhere. Corn syrup comes into play by adding that perfectly chewy texture, balancing the sweetness with a satisfying bite. From the classic fruit flavors like cherry and lemon to more exotic varieties such as coconut and licorice, the possibilities are endless. In the case of premium brands like Jelly Belly, the addition of real fruit juices elevates the taste, infusing each bean with authentic, rich flavors that mimic the real fruits. This careful selection and combination of ingredients ensure that the jelly beans are both a candy and a delightful taste adventure. The process is a mixture of science and art, where each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating the final product that's loved by people of all ages. Now we know the ingredients, but how are they made? Well, the making of jelly beans starts with a simple yet crucial mix of sugar and corn syrup, heated in large kettles to form what's known as the slurry. This base mix is the backbone of every jelly bean. The slurry is carefully cooked to the perfect consistency, setting the stage for the magic to happen. Once the base is ready, it's time for the flavors and colors to join the party. Whether it's the classic fruity zest or the more adventurous gourmet tastes, each addition is precisely measured to ensure every bean packs the right punch of flavor. This step is what gives jelly beans their vibrant appeal. Next up is the molding process, where the flavored slurry finds its shape in starch molds. These molds are to give the jelly beans their form, and also they're the key to the jelly beans' iconic texture. After a day of drying, the beans have that perfect chewiness we crave. But a jelly bean isn't complete without its signature shiny coat. This is where the tumbling process comes in, with the beans being coated in layers of sugar. It's a delicate balance, adding just enough sugar to create that satisfying crunch without overshadowing the chewy center. The final touch is a glaze, giving the jelly beans their glossy finish. This isn't just for looks. It helps seal in the flavors and keeps the beans fresh. From the initial mixing of ingredients to the final sugar coat, every step in the jelly bean production process is designed to create the perfect balance of texture, flavor, and appearance. After jelly beans receive their glossy finish, the focus shifts to packaging, a critical stage where functionality meets creativity. Each bean is carefully packed, ensuring they stay fresh from factory to consumer. Packaging varies widely, from single-flavor packs for those with specific tastes to assorted mixes that offer a taste of everything. The journey from factory to retailers is streamlined, ensuring jelly beans reach store shelves efficiently. This network of distribution ensures that whether you're at a local grocery store or a big supermarket, your favorite jelly beans are just an aisle away. It's the seamless process that keeps the colorful world of jelly beans spinning, bringing little bursts of joy to consumers worldwide. Diving into the jelly bean world, did you know Jelly Belly whips up over 1 million jelly beans every hour? That's a mountain of beans big enough to fill your room. And it's not just about quantity. It's the wild variety of flavors that really boggles the mind. From the buttery goodness of popcorn to the fiery kick of sriracha and Tabasco, there's a flavor for every adventurous palate. So, every time you pop a jelly bean, remember, there's a whole world of creativity behind each colorful bite. Jelly beans go beyond a simple snack, marking moments of delight across cultures. Next up, we're chewing into the world of bubblegum. Discover the secrets behind its bouncy fun in our upcoming video. Click here to continue the tasty exploration.